Alright, we're at my favorite coffee farm. That's what it is. There's not green.
There is no green in it whatsoever.
Oh wait, yes there is. Green World. Green World Coffee Farm. So this is in kind of sort of Haleiwa, Hawaii, but not really. And we are going to get some amazing coffee. Particularly for me, I'm all about that Thai coffee.
Oh, they have Thai coffee?
They have Thai coffee.
Yes.
Historical district of Haleiwa. It's a very cute, quaint town. If you ever find your way over here to the North Shore in Hawaii, I would highly recommend it. Yeah, so we're just gonna go explore. Last stop for the day here at the Dole Plantation. Something else he hasn't really done.
I've been here once. It was a while ago, but I just want ice cream.
So we're gonna get some pineapple ice cream. Before we go in, we're gonna see some rainbow trees. I think they're the coolest things ever. So we'll show you that.
And I love pineapples.
And he loves pineapple.
I love pineapple.
Where are we? Dole Plantation. Established July 28, 1900. I knew that. It wasn't on the sign.
Thank you.
Alright everyone, so we just finished our day. Checked out the historical town of Haleiwa, went to a couple beaches, went to the Dole Plantation, got amazing Dole Whip. My first time trying it, and I will say it's good. It was so good that we forgot to film our actual reaction.